Pull hard.
Okay guys, what did we find?
A Christmas tree. Oh, you can't really see us that well.
Did you guys?
There's a nest in it. There's a nest.
A nest?
Daddy, a nest.
Ouch, ouch,
A nest right there. What nest? And it has eggs.
I think they're all gone now. No more eggs. But it was a bird's nest, wasn't it? That's
Yes,
fun.
But there's a little bit of eggs.
Did anybody take turns sawing?
Daddy, we're not having this one.
Yeah, we're gonna have this one. Mommy, I need you to.
But there's a bird's nest in it.
Okay, who
all
wants?
gone, Bea.
Ella, why don't you take turns sawing?
There's a bird's nest in this one.
Okay.
There it is.
Uh-huh.
Well, there's no more birds.
Come on, guys.
It's the wrong time of year for birds.
You want to help me? Okay. Mommy, I just need somebody to push on it that way so I can. Yeah,
I'm
please
videotaping.
do.
Kayla, did you want to help saw? Wow.
Almost there, guys. You can probably lay it down. There you go. There we go, guys.
Yay!
This one too.
Got that tag on?
Oh yeah, give him the tag, Ella. Think it's a good tree?
Uh-huh.
What do you think, Sai?
I don't think we should have sold
Let's
it
take a
down.
picture, Mommy.
Yeah.
Got a camera? Merry Christmas.
Hey guys, you didn't want to help saw, huh?
Probably still gonna have some of these needles in here, browning.
Yep. That's where you're gonna shake those off?
I'm gonna shake as much as I can, but we haven't had a hard freeze yet, and that's
Yeah.
usually when they really start
Oh,
dropping.
okay.
Okay.
Once it's cut, it'll go dormant. So more of them